Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today, also how to make a hinge and also assemble the hinge in Solidworks software. So before going to start, I'm requesting everybody, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get the new videos. So now I'm going to start. New file is created. Okay. Then I'm going to select the units. MMGS is selected. Then selecting the top plane, sketch. Center rectangle is selecting and sketch a center rectangle. Determine the dimension. This one is 80 mm. This one is 35 mm. Then okay. Then going selecting this corner and this corner, and I want to make it 5 mm. Okay. Then going to the features, extrude boss is selected. Taking this one is 1.5 mm extrusion. Okay. Done. Then I'm going here and select this face, sketch. Then taking a circle, sketching a circle here, smart dimension, and determine this dimension is 8 mm. Okay. Then selecting this circle and this point, make the relation is coincident. Then okay. Making a circle, sketch a circle, dimension is 5 mm. Okay. Taking a line and make a line from here to here. Reference click OK. Taking another line here, here, and here. Reference click OK. Then again the line, sketch a line from here to here. Then selecting this line and this line, make it parallel. OK. And also selecting this line and this line, make it parallel. No. After that, I'm selecting the trim entities, trim it, trim it, and okay, so it's done. Then going here, fillet is taken. I'm taking this one is 5.5 mm radius. This one, then okay. Then selecting this one 0.1 mm. Then selecting this corner. Then okay. See. Then going to the preset extrude boss is selected. Now selecting this point and this part. I'm taking this one is 20 and direction this way. Then okay. See. Then going here, linear pattern selected. Select this one. This or it will be better when again see features extrude boss. Then selecting this portion and direction is this way. Then okay. After that you will go to the linear pattern. Then it will be shown. Then select on this line and it will be distance 40 mm and 2 items. Then okay. See. Then selecting this face, sketch, and going to take a circle, sketching circle here, another circle, another circle, another circle, and at this circle radius is, diameter is 5 mm. This circle is also 5 mm. Then the distance from here to here is 14 mm. So 14, see 14, and the distance from here to here is 10 mm. Here to here distance is 10 mm. Okay, done. Then going to the features section was cart is selected, and going here tool is selected. Then see. After that I'm going to the chamfer. Chamfer is selected. This one is selecting 0.5 mm. So selecting the circle. So circles, that's okay. Now chamfering is here in this part. Same, I'm going here, chamfer, selecting part, this face, and this edge of this circle. Then okay. See. Then double click here, polish brush is selected. Now see. I can save it the part one. Then I want to take another part. Going here and this is taken. Fountain is taken. Sketch. Taking a circle. Sketch. And the diameter of this circle is 8 mm. Going here, features, extruded boss. Taking this one is 1.5 mm. Then okay. Then I'm going to the fillet, chamfer, and chamfering this opposite face 0.5 mm. Done. Selecting this one, sketch, and sketching a circle here, and the diameter of the circle is 5 mm. Okay. Moving to the features, extrude boss is selected. Then I'm taking this one is the 80 mm. Then okay. After that, I'm selecting this face, sketch, and sketching a circle here. Whose diameter is 8 mm. Okay. Features, extrude boss is selected. I'm taking this one is only 1.5 mm. Then okay. And going to the fillet and sample, selecting this okay, edge and this one. Then I'm selecting this one is also polish brush. Okay, going here. I'm going here. I'm changing this color is this one. Now done. See. Now I'm going here file and make assembly from part. Okay, I'm taking this one to 0, 0. Okay, one part, and here is another part is okay, this one. See, so I want to save this one is save as 342, and I'm going to the assembly tool. Now I'm going to the insert component, or okay, here see this one. Then I want to rotate this one, so select, before I want to double, make it double, so selecting this one and pressing the control, then drag it. Then I'm going here, going to the move component and rotate, and I want to rotate it this way. Let me skip. Oh, okay. Now see. Then I'm going to the mat, then going to the mechanical mat and hinge. At first I'm going to select this hole. I'm selecting also this hole. Then selecting this face, sorry, delete it. Selecting this face and selecting this face. Then okay. See, this one is done. After going to the mat again, and when it will be the standard mat, then I'm selecting this face and selecting this face. One, selecting this, selecting this one, again this inside, and selecting this one. Then okay. See, one is the done. Then okay. See, it's rotated. Then see. I think got it everybody how to make a hinge and also assemble in Solidworks software. If you think that you are benefited, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. The Redesign Engineering is always with you. Thank you so much.